In these areas, SPC has taken the time to analyze all the different materials and is bringing the experience that we have from having been in business for close to 50 years and being able to service asset owners in being able to complete these project restorations. Projects in the area that SPC has completed included the Embassy Suites in Irvine waterproofing exterior, the waterproofing of the Sonesta Suites Tower in Irvine, the waterproofing of the windows of the Century Towers, the concrete restoration and complete exterior painting of Ocean Towers, the complete exterior painting of Park La Brea Apartments in Los Angeles, 4,200 units. We look forward to being of service for you on this project, and that the result will be an exciting one for all the residents and the guests that come to visit. Thank you for the opportunity to provide this pricing.